Hey guys, so I have a new problem with my Mist King, which has been working perfectly for months and months and months. And now it's really important that I have it running because I have 1, 2, 3 greenhouses with chameleons and plants inside. So it's really important that it's working like all the time. Luckily I have a wife to basically manually water all these things when I can't, when I'm at work or something during this COVID-19 thing. And so basically I've got to figure out how to fix this thing because right now, I'll show you, I'm testing to get this thing to work, and you'll see the pump is on. It is vibrating because it is on, and the reservoir is always above the pump, so it should not have any problem with gravity feed of the water into the pump. And in fact, I already tested it where I unplugged this right here, and water was coming out pretty readily, and that's why there's water in the bottom. But this this is the drip. What do they call it? There's a fun name for it, like the zip drip, zip drip, I think it's called. This thing, I think, is actually blocking water from getting past this point. I think. I'm not sure, honestly. So I'm gonna do another test right now and let you guys know what's going on, because water, I've already unplugged the nozzle for the entire misting system, and it is not coming out of the output at all. So something's going on, and I'm gonna figure it out with you guys here with me so that we can get this thing working, and that if you have the same problem, you can learn from this. Okay, so what I just did is I literally just I unplugged this, the intake valve. Sorry, this is not focusing. I unplugged the intake valve right there, and water started erupting really readily, as I did before when I unplugged it right here before the zip drip. And then I plugged it back in, and right away it started pumping water out of the outtake again. So I plugged this in, and lo and behold, it is fixed. So if you saw from my earlier take, I was thinking I had a system full of air, and I was mistaken. That was not the problem. So now this thing is just watering plants, basically. And I'm gonna plug that back in right now, and it should fix everything right away. So check this out. I'm gonna try to keep you guys live with me, basically. I've got a cool little tripod, a midget tripod, which I jerry-rigged myself, basically. Okay, hold on. I don't want to waste too much water, so whoops. There you go. Okay, hopefully you can see this. Okay. Pressure is building up. Boom! It's missing. Beautiful. Just like that, guys. Mist King is back online. All right, look at that. Beautiful. We got pressure up the wazoo, you know what I mean? Okay. And check that one. I'm gonna check this one. Yeah, look at that. Mist is just pouring out of my 4 misters in this one. This is my mini tall greenhouse, which has got a lot of plants. Only 1 chameleon at a time usually. Okay, awesome. Last one, first one. Oops. There we go. And it's perfect in here too. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 misters total in here. And it's really important that I have it because we've got some heat coming back here in the Bay Area starting like tomorrow, so I'm super glad I was able to get that fixed. Alright, so lesson learned is if you're having problems with your Mist King system, you probably have something wrong with the intake-outtake regarding pressure, air in your system, and this happens when you try running dry too long. So basically just unplug everything and plug it back in, and you should be good. Okay? Alright, hopefully this solves your Mist King problems, and thanks for watching. Buddy, are you happy the Mist King's working again? Yes, I am. Thank you. Thank you, Master. That's what chameleons sound like, guys.